all on me. That, you know the body's kind. Nothing to change, I still daddy ties. Spend capture and back, bushy cake, clip still pen. The world come on up, down, we are for your children. I'm sorry, say you could've see it and dodgy. But stop cry, I just eat my carry. Could've wait, figure turn it on a cheap or Larry. I feel like I want to kill somebody. These are the things I love. Not just nobody, just could've see it and dodgy. But stop cry, I just eat my carry.
Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nandi. You know it's your boss in our building. And we have some topics to talk about. We see that Beenie Man daughter, Deisha Ravers, come out and bash her father for a lot of things. And we see that Skippa, dancehall artist Skippa, was called in, was requested to come into the police station for some investigation ongoing. Because I guess he's some person of interest, because Skippa had put out a song praising the prominent Dan of one other gang, One Daddy Badness, and him sorry say one Daddy Badness couldn't sight the rake and dodge it, and him say, oh, him can't wait for go turn the gun pan a ratty or a jeep. So we are gonna jump right into it and hear what Deisha Ravers have to say about her father, and the other topic me have is that Beenie Man for an interview overseas, he must say him not eat Trinidad food, and it's like him a talk down pan Trinidad food, and the Trinidadian them come out and I talk bad about him, and you know them a support them own culture. So if you see somebody like a Beenie Man I go talk bad about them culture food, you know them a come out and bash him. So we're gonna get into that also. So let's just go with the Deisha Ravers. We shall say, you see me?
King. Yeah, worry about the next man who actually take care of you then. Yeah, worry about, and no matter how old them want be, he might take care of you then. Yeah, worry about a man who take care of everybody around him. That's what I worry about. You know where you go to, you go buy a Maserati. To prove what? To prove that you're the king. First thing first, but now look now. Clothes, because I don't know something quiet. I come out, I try to clear the ear, I try to come stand up at all. You see me? But at the end of the day, when a situation reached too far, it just reached too far. You see me? So, as you know, my father, yeah, Beenie Man, Moses, yeah. Jaja. It's so heartbreaking that it ever come to this, but obviously me and him will not have no good times, because I feel like over the years I go through so much and I endure so much and I stay quiet, and everybody feel like say, oh, him a this good father and him always take care and you them and this and that. I don't look no money from him, I don't look nothing from him. You see me? Everybody will know me know that. So me take.
What I can't understand is how all of a sudden she come out now attack down upon her father when him already dead down. It's like everybody a beat him bad. The Trinidadian them, the Gaza fans them a beat Beenie Man bad, and now him daughter. How ironic she come out now and a beat him bad. Something not right, man. Because all along you never come out and a beat your father, but now because you see every little thing with the clout and all of them look at sitting there, your father name buzzing right now, you come out for beat him. Wouldn't have a daughter if you know say my daughter when me bring come here. Come out and a diss me and a talk down for me. When the time is right for you to depart by my side and you know I talk good things about me, you come out and talk bad about your body. You don't rate your father from the get go, man.
Myself pay my own bills then. 100,000 pay for my rent. You see me? Never yet go for no handout and asking for nothing. You get me? I'm just know some good people in my kind of mommy, like I call in, you know, Auntie Keisha, like, I'm just always there for me, my sister them and brother them, always there for me. My father buy a house in 2000, see? And from them time, him say, yeah, well, over the part there, because you have a 2-section there on the land, you see me? He say, over the part there, your part, man. Not worry about that. Do what you want to do. So, I never really pay no mind, because I say, You know me, if you know me, me I always a hustler, me I always independent, I always live by myself, I always I take care of myself, take care of my daughter and everybody around me. You see me? So recently, recently him called me and I say, yo, you know say some scutters go up airport to the house, I mean I say, like me I forgot. Go up there and do my thing, start do my thing. I'm calling back and I say, here we go under there. Instead of me I pay rent. Remember say 10 months rent, 100,000, $1.8 million, you know. So I can use that to say. So I better use that and say, alright, build up my place because him say my place. You see me? And give me the go ahead for say, go and get the thing. Go up there now, whatever. Some little madness go on and reach out to him and say, oh, right. The man do a big 360 for me, like literal 360. The man changing whole statement, everything from him woman tell him say, I diss him for you. What? Me talk the day before, you know, dog. And you say, yeah man, go and get your thing, you see me? And as soon as the woman say, oh no, I saw we are doing it. We are doing it that way there. You change your mind and say, alright, I saw we are doing it, Tisha. Nobody.
Over the years, we always see Deisha Rivers come out and bash her father. So I guess Beenie Man is not being a very good father then. So for this girl always come out and bash her father, it clearly if you say, yo, Beenie Man not really play a good role as a father and whatsoever. So she come out, she beat him bad, she bash him, she talk down upon him woman. The full video. The full video is on YouTube and some of the YouTube channel them, but apparently this video is that she beat her father down while him down, and that I can't understand. You beat your father down while him down, that don't make no sense, bro. How that make no sense? So let's jump on to the next topic. I don't want to stretch out for our topic. I don't want to stretch out this no more further because we don't see what she did on already. She just beat down her father. So let's jump on the topic where them a beat Beenie Man bad about the same food eating. Him saying that eat doubles, which is a Trinidad food. He must burn it out. He must say if dad not eat it, him not eat it. So let's hear what some of the people have to say about it.
He doesn't eat it because stray dogs don't eat it. During a podcast, Beenie Man was asked which Caribbean island. Jamaican dancehall artist Beenie Man said that though doubles is nice, he doesn't eat it because stray dogs don't eat it. During a podcast, Beenie Man was asked which Caribbean island was the best apart from Jamaica. Beenie Man answered, I love Trinidad. With the mention of Trinidad, Beenie Man was asked if he eats the popular street food, doubles. Beenie Man answered, I love Trinidad but I don't eat doubles because dogs don't eat doubles. And I don't eat anything that dogs don't eat. He mentioned that he tried doubles 2 or 3 times, but he threw the doubles for a dog and the dog didn't eat it. He said dogs eat chicken, dogs eat fish, dogs eat dumpling, but the dog didn't eat doubles.
In a sense, Beenie Man disrespect the people in food. He never have to disrespect it, so but John, not everything everybody eats. Sometimes you got some different countries and them give some of them food they don't really like it. But to come out and disrespect it as an icon like a Beenie Man, it come off a way, bro.
Beenie Man is...
They might beat him when him come at Trinidad, bro.
Disrespectful kind of fella. But since he gave you 2 cents on our culture, I will give my 2 cents on yours. Right, Beenie Man? Just because you name a song King of Dancehall, that doesn't mean you're the King of Dancehall. Right? We all know the King of Dancehall is a DJ Palmer Vibes Cartel. And for some reason, since Cartel come out of prison, you just crashing out and it ain't looking good. And I don't know what Beenie Man talking about because my dog does eat doubles very good. Once it didn't have too much pepper. And Beenie Man, since you want to equate yourself to a dog, even though I don't like it, my dog does drink toilet water. You just do the same? Since a dog had the highest level of understanding, I want you to answer that for me. Or you can let me know what you all think about Beenie Man's disrespectful comments. And because Beenie Man's so confused on who the real King of Dancehall is, all you can let him know, is it Vice Cartel, Sean Paul, or the dog whisperer Beenie Man? Or you could let me know in the comments. Jamaican dog.
I'll tell you that, but I don't eat doubles, dog don't eat doubles, I don't eat nothing that dog don't eat. I don't eat doubles, dog don't eat doubles, I don't eat nothing that dog don't eat. Thank you. The only thing I do.
But it's crazy though. He's saying, I don't eat doubles, dog don't eat doubles. I don't eat anything that dog doesn't eat. What the hell? So if dog eats shit, you gonna eat shit too, Beenie man? Come on, bro. That's clearly a weird way out to explain something. Dog eat shit in the bro, and dog eat other dog bottom, bro. Come on, Beenie man.
Yeah, I eat doubles. Doubles is nice.
You don't got vegan doubles?
No, I tried already. I tried like 2 times. Yeah, you got chickpeas and pepper and shit, and flour and shit, and it's nice. Then you got a next one called trippers. It's nice, but once I show it to the dog and the dog don't eat it. Eat chicken, dog eat fish, dog eat dumplings.
You want the stray dog? You want your dog?
No, straight up. It's crazy, so why should I eat them, my dance? I'll tell you that, but I don't eat doubles, dog don't eat doubles.
So, Beenie man calling, have himself a go down the drain right now. He might tarnish him own legacy, and honestly, bro, it is crazy how him a go on right now. You need to just give the media a break. So we have another clip added on to this episode where Beenie man's girlfriend came out in defense of Beenie man and she has said some bag of things. So let's hear what she really says.
I did not give 100.
Oh, so she's saying that she didn't give 100,000 money pull up for her man's song to not play. But this is not the clip that I was looking for. There's a clip where she was saying, she was defending Beenie man in a sense where, you know, she go and bad and rowdy. I say, yo, I want King and Beenie man don't have him title already, and him title can't be taken away. But before we jump on the topic there, let's jump on the topic with Skippa now. So Skippa is calling, he's been calling for investigation because him sing a song, I praise one daddy badness. Him a praise one daddy badness, and I say, yo, him wish one daddy badness decide the rake and run from the shootout between him and the police. So let's hear what Skippa done after say right now. So, you know, Skippa done, I don't know what it, this the song I go play in the background, but this is the police report. The police saying that persons of interest, and Skippa name is in it. Tajay Clark, otherwise called Skippa, a dancehall artist who frequents Toss Meadows in St. Catherine and Montego Bay in St. James. So, he might big up him artist and January. He might big up him Dan, as I would say, but he don't know where he might get himself in that. Him can't run from that one. You can't go to the airport, you just have to go turn yourself to the police. I'm going for your questioning because I don't understand you want badness or you want music. Badness and music not go together. Police will kill you, bro.
Eat and dodgy. Stop crying, just eat my carry. Do the waste, they go turn it on a cheap bar Larry. Feel like coffee, kill somebody. Sorry, say you could eat and dodgy. Stop crying, just eat my carry. Do the waste, they go turn it on a cheap bar Larry. Feel like coffee, kill somebody.
Oh, so you saying feel like you kill somebody. So because you done dead, you want daddy badness dead, you come out and defend him in a song. And people, this song just dropped like a couple hours ago, or I think it was a day ago, I'm not sure, but this song dropped recently where him a praise him Dan, and I big up him Dan. So the police them say, yo, you need to come in for one questioning. I'm gonna play the video for you guys to see the video. In the piece that we have right now with showing case. Because, bro, I don't understand. Them youth want badness and music at the same time, and I don't say it no work, so bro. Badness and music no work, fam. You can't say a musician and
stop guy, just eat my carry. Do the waste, they go turn it on a cheap bar Larry. Feel like coffee, kill somebody. Stop guy, just eat my carry. Do the waste, they go turn it on a cheap bar Larry. Feel like coffee, kill somebody. All of me now, you know the body's guy. Nothing that chill, I still daddy ties. Spend capture and back, bushy cake clip still pen. World come on up down, we have few children. Sorry, say I couldn't see it and dodgy. Stop crying, just to eat, not carry to the waist. We gon' turn it in a cheap bar, Larry. Feel like more to kill somebody.
Bro, them youth don't know where them a get themselves in there. They don't know where them a get themselves in there. Trouble them a put themselves in there. Trouble on top of trouble. So, the police them want him for person of interest. He's a part of the person of interest report where the police them put out. So, Skippa, turning yourself to the police, them a hear them a say, if you're not involved in nothing, still turning yourself. Either you're gonna bring a liar or something, but turning yourself, bro. Don't just go on, don't just use the badness and go on like saying nonsense, bro. Turning yourself. So we have Lisa Hype come out attack you now. Lisa Hype come out I said a trick the people them, and when she make her rant, it wasn't a she plan her rant to she make. So let's hear what Lisa Hype really have to say now.
These are the things I love.
Who could I make me turn for my boss?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
I'm heart clean. I trick on get trick. My trick on ride through. My trick on everybody knows them I love Adi. Who could I make me turn for my boss? Who could I make me turn for my boss? I'm angry. I'm angry at him. I'm angry at him because him to deal with some business for me and him not deal with it. It's
so
not.
that's why you come out and bashing now. Yo, some of them women I don't understand with them why them problem, you know. She don't get her own way, so she a bash her dad. She a bash her boss.
About relationship, it's not about sex, it's about my career. I want him to take my career seriously. That's all I'm saying. Right? That's all I want him to do. Take my career seriously. That's all. That's all I want from him. But nobody can get me to hate my boss. Nobody can get me to hate him. I trick them. Marketing strategy for soul cry. I want to see soul cry I want good. I don't know much. Listen, it's a marketing strategy. Zin, I don't understand what I want with me and him. And listen, I don't stay out of me and him business. Stay out of me and him business. Because throughout these years, I don't feel shame. The people them where all up in me and him business and attack this and attack that. I don't feel shame. So every time I try to turn against one and then I will still come back together. I don't shame. I don't shame. The reason why I'm a call for the hype, I have to make him know what I want. Simple. Because here, if I don't do that, nobody now going to take it seriously.
So after making a mockery of herself, she came out in defense and saying that she not diss her boss and she would have never diss her boss. But I had a previous upload where she had diss her boss and she had diss her boss associates. But now she had come out and I say, yo, it was a prank and she don't mean it and it's just a marketing strategy. We know all of them things, but still, you can't undo. You can't undo what you already done, bro. So you just have to talk now and we done out there in our media.
We have to take drastic measures.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Sorry to disturb. Your suitcase outside?
Yes.
You can't leave it up here, my friend.
We can't leave it out there?
No, because the work of the cops take it up.
Okay, well, more than love the cops will come.
Yo, she said that woman are really mad. The man tell her, said, lady, you can't leave your suitcase outside because the cops them will come take it up. And she said, should I love the cops them to come? Something really wrong with Lisa Hype brain piece, bro. Something wrong with part of her brain why she has spaz out so much, bro.
Yeah, I have them in our maze. We just have them in the maze, so you can't get me to hate him and you can't get him to hate me. It not gonna work. It not gonna work. It not gonna work. You get tricked. You get tricked. Yeah, you never know say Sagittarian girl them a mad girl.
You know, for a real thing still, Sagittarius girl and a mad girl still, you know. Sagittarius girl, you can't play with them and them sick in them brain now. This minute them trip and next minute them calm as a lamb, them are easy going next minute. So you have to be careful how you deal with Sagittarius. So she has she's chipping her head I see me telling her she chip in her head, bro. She something wrong with her brain piece, brother.
I don't know the horoscope sign them. Uno never know say Sagittarius girl them a mad girl. Let me see how much Sagittarius girl they I'm a heart please.
Lisa Hype. That is it for Lisa Hype, you know, so. Tell me what you think about all I want go on. Tell me if you don't think about, say, Skippa need for bringing himself. If you don't think Skippa need for bringing himself, you don't make me know because, bro, it's crazy how the youth are pre, brother. It's them want the badness and them want the music and it can't work. You have to know what you want. It's just like playing a sport. If you want football, whatever, you have to know, say, yo, you have to choose one because right now, you see that the police, them a take out the bad man them with ease. Them a get all the intel for them and them a go for them anywhere them there. So, you see it right now in the media. And police not spare none of them. Police don't want to carry nobody got prison again. No. Police want to take you out and put all the gun pound and call it a day. So, you have to know what you want. And as I said, Skippa, you're an artist, bro. If you want artist thing, we understand say you come from Spanish town, but if you want artist thing, bro, you have to tell yourself that you want. And if you want badness, you have to go to badness and know the consequences who are going to come with it. So, you have to know what you want. But the police, them want you in for questioning, bro. And so Lisa Hype, as I said, she say a marketing strategy to do. So let me know what you think in the comment section. If you don't think Beenie Man wrong for disrespect Trinidadian food, let me know. And let me know if you don't think say Beenie Man daughter, Deja Ravers, if she did wrong for come out and attack about her father, talk down upon her father, knowing that him already down. So let me know in the comment section. You know already, a Vibes and Insight with Nando. I'm out. Peace.